The simple trick, proven to boost your brain power. What if I told you there's a brain hack so ridiculously simple that it literally rewires your neural pathways in just 10 minutes? And the best part? You've been doing it wrong your entire life. But today, that changes forever. Scientists have discovered something absolutely mind-blowing about how our brains absorb information, and it's going to revolutionize the way you study. This isn't some complicated technique that requires fancy equipment or years of practice. This is something you can start doing right now to supercharge your learning capacity. Here's how to unlock your brain's hidden potential. Step 1. The golden 25-5 rule. Set a timer for 25 minutes and dive deep into your study material. But here's the game changer. After those 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break where you do something completely different. Dance, do jumping jacks, or even just stare out the window. Your brain needs this contrast to solidify what you just learned. Step 2. Teach your imaginary student. This is where the magic happens. Grab a rubber duck, your pet, or just talk to thin air. Explain what you just learned out loud as if you're teaching someone who knows absolutely nothing about the topic. When you stumble or can't explain something clearly, you've found your knowledge gaps. Step 3. The Retrieval Power Move. Close your books and write down everything you remember from memory. Don't peek. This brain dump forces your neurons to create stronger connections. The struggle is actually your brain getting stronger, just like a muscle at the gym. Step 4. Mix it up like a learning DJ. Don't study the same subject for hours. Switch between different topics every 30 to 45 minutes. Your brain loves variety and will thank you by remembering everything better. Why this works? Neuroscientists call this spaced repetition and active recall, but I call it pure learning magic. When you force your brain to work harder to retrieve information, you're literally building superhighways of knowledge that last forever. Your challenge: try this technique for just 1 week and watch your retention skyrocket. Your future self will thank you when exam time comes around, and you're the one helping everyone else instead of cramming in panic. All right, friends, ready to become a learning machine? Let's make your brain unstoppable.